Ever wondered what it's like to spend a day at Froggyland amusement park in South Goa? Tucked away just 32 kilometers from the heart of Goa in the quaint town of Nuvam lies this oasis of fun and adventure. Froggyland is not just an amusement park, it's an experience. From the exhilarating rush of the wave pool where tropical beach dreams come true to the ultimate relaxation of the lazy river, it has something for everyone. Let the infectious energy of the rain dance area move you, or watch your little ones light up in the vibrant children's play area. Thrill seekers can slide into adventure on an array of slides, while those seeking serenity can embark on a leisurely boating journey. And let's not forget the thrill of water polo, beach volleyball, and the agility testing stepping stones. Hold on to your swimsuits because we're about to dive into a day filled with fun and frolic at Froggyland. First stop, wave pool. Who needs the beach when you can ride the waves right here in the middle of Goa? Imagine this. You're on a surfboard, feeling the surge of the water beneath you, the cool splash against your skin. The sun is shining, the waves are rolling, and you're the king or queen of the surf, all without a grain of sand in sight. Now, if you're more of the laid-back type, no worries, we've got just the thing for you. Picture a lazy river, gently carrying you along its winding path. Surrounded by lush greenery, you can let the world drift by, letting all your cares float away with the current. It's the ultimate relaxation, a tranquil journey through a tropical paradise. And just when you think you can't possibly be any more relaxed, you hear the music start up. After surfing the waves and floating down the lazy river, it's time to shake a leg. Ever danced in the rain without worrying about catching a cold? Well, you can at Froggyland. Picture this, a wide open space, water cascading from above, and the most irresistible music pulsating through the air. This is the rain dance area, where inhibitions wash away and everyone becomes a superstar on the dance floor. It's a place to let loose, to let the rhythm guide your movements, and to let the water cool your dancing fever. Now, let's not forget about the little ones. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away is the children's play area. Here, water isn't just for dancing, it's for exploration and play. Imagine a world filled with colorful slides, interactive water features, and the sound of pure, unfiltered laughter. It's a magical paradise where every splash is a new adventure, every giggle a cherished memory. After all that dancing, it's time for some adrenaline-pumping action. Slides aren't just for kids at Froggyland, they're for thrill seekers of all ages. Imagine whooshing down a slide with twists and turns that make your heart race, and then suddenly you're plunged into a pool of refreshing water. It's a thrilling roller coaster ride, but with a splashy ending. Then get ready to embark on a serene boating journey. Picture yourself gently floating down the tranquil waterways, surrounded by the lush greenery of South Goa. Next, dive into the action-packed game of water polo. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you strategize with your teammates, pass the ball and aim for the goal. It's like soccer, but way more splashy. And for those who enjoy a bit of sandy fun, there's beach volleyball. Feel the warm sand under your feet as you bump, set, and spike your way to victory. Finally, test your balance on the stepping stones. It's like a live game of the floor is lava, but with actual water instead of lava. After all that action, it's time to relax and soak in the beauty of Froggyland. As the sun sets, it's time to say goodbye to Froggyland. But not before we go over some important rules. Now don't worry, I promise to make it as fun as the wave pool. So rule number 1, please dress appropriately. We know you want to make a splash, but remember, cotton and jeans can become quite heavy when wet. Rule number 2, safety first. It's all fun and games until someone forgets to follow the lifeguard's instructions, so keep your ears open and your eyes on the signs. Rule number 3, no diving into the shallow pools. We know it's tempting, but trust me, it's not as fun as it looks. And finally, rule number 4, leave your intoxicating spirits at home. Let's keep the fun sober, shall we? Remember, a day at Froggyland is not just about the fun and games, but also about respecting the rules and ensuring everyone's safety. So, when are you planning your visit?